How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about creating a public profile on Snapchat. So now let's get started. So creating a public profile is a great way to grow your audience, share your snaps with more people, and make your profile more accessible. So now let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your device and then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and go to the section of Public Profile Settings. Simply tap on it. Now tap on Edit Profile option, that is the initial option in the Manage Public Profile section. Tap on it. If you can't find the option on the main homepage, you can add a bio, upload a photo, and set your profile to be visible to everyone. And don't forget to add a name as well. After that, go back and you should see the public profile. Tap on it to see the option to create a public profile if you haven't done already. Then tap on Create Public Profile, and Snapchat will guide you through the setup process, and you can choose to induce your stories and Snapchat Spotlight content in your public profile. And that's it. This is exactly how you can make your public profile on Snapchat, and you can now post various photos and Spotlight content and track insights on your post. So that's how you create a Snapchat public profile. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.